Hi friends and welcome back to Best of Tech. In today's video we are going to review the HP gaming keyboard K500F. So let's get started. So this is how the box looks like. It has gaming keyboard written here, an HP logo, and it is available in two colors, black and white. Gaming keyboard written here, gaming keyboard K500F written here, and the product information and features of the product and specifications are written here. So let's go with the unboxing. So this is how the unboxing experience is. It's really crisp and you get a warranty card, HP support manual and user manual, and it comes in packed like this. After opening it, we directly see the keyboard, which has a metal body and it's really solid. So it has screen lock, caps lock and number lock. And let's talk about RGB effects. So if we click function key and page down, the intensity of the light will decrease. If we press page up, the intensity will increase of the light. And if we click function +1, it will go into blink mode. If we click function +1 second time, it goes into off and on mode. So let's talk about keys. The quality of the keys is fabulous for the price point of 1149 rupees. Let's talk about connectivity. It has an USB cable which is not braided, it's rubber, but okay for the price. So this is how the clips look like, and this is it for this video. The clips also is good. So thank you so much for watching and bye.